Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a depth look on T&G Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. Product description. Overview. Know your speaker. Power on or off. 3.5mm AUX line in. Micro USB charging port, DC 5 volts. Power or charging or pairing indicator light. Volume down. Hands-free answer or hang up. Volume up. Microphone. Package and accessories. Bluetooth speaker. Micro USB cable. 3.5mm audio cable. Instruction manual. Operation instructions. Charging your speaker. AUX line in mode. Bluetooth mode. Out of pairing. Answering phone calls. Maintenance and care. Specification. Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.